Welcome back. We are going to learn about opening a saved Excel document. The first thing you need to do is just go to where you saved the Excel document. There's several ways of doing it. The first way is just going to where you saved the Excel document and then just double click on it. After you do that, give it a second and it's going to open your workbook. The second way is if you've already opened Excel, you just go to File and then Open and navigate to where it is saved and just click on it and click on Open. Okay, that's if you already have Excel open. The other way is you going to the file recent options, and the way to do that is let's simulate an option where you have Excel open, but let me just show you. You have Excel open, and then if I go and open it right now, it's going to show me one of the recent files to be opened is here, main workbook, the way we saved our Excel document in a previous video. So this is the other way of opening it. Once you come to the recent options, I don't know how you're going to access this, but from the recent pane, I can just double click it and yeah, voila, it opens again. So those are the three different ways of how to look for these documents. The other way is also to search in case you have different workbooks. Let me just open it again and maximize it. If you want to search recent workbooks from the home tab or the recent tab here, you can just search the name of the workbook. If you see main workbook, okay, if you remember the name of the workbook, that is, or you have a little idea of what the name of the workbook is. So I'm just going to double click that, wait for it, it's going to open. So that's it. That's how to open a saved Excel document. The reason why we save this type of documents is because you just never know. If you work so hard on a document and then later you realize you haven't really saved your work, it's a big loss. So see you in the next tutorial where we're going to talk about common Excel shortcuts. See you then. Bye bye.